In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open a trade on Weex, where you can actually trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and 1,000 other cryptocurrencies with up to 200x leverage with zero KYC, meaning that you can trade on Weex literally from any country in the whole world. And you are now lucky that you found this tutorial because below this video I have an affiliate link to Weex. If you use my specific link, then you can actually get up to $888, 888 inches bonuses. And also not only that, but Weex is regularly giving out Rolex watches and other cool things, but only you who click the link below this video is actually eligible. So open up an account with my link down below, and let me now show you how to use this platform. Let me first give you a brief little intro. What is Weex? So Weex Exchange, officially branded as Weex International Exchange Limited, is a leading digital currency platform launched actually already in 2018. So it's actually a very old exchange, which is a good thing because that gives us very high trust, right? The new exchanges have less, but the old ones, that's what I usually go to. And they had a $100 million investment from a prominent blockchain investment firm in Singapore. Weex has a big USP, and this is the fact that it's available in every single country. So, I know that some people live in the land of the not-so-free, and other countries where basically you're restricted from the cryptocurrency market with 100 to 200x leverage. Well, on Weex, every single person in the world can actually now trade Bitcoin with leverage. So yeah, use the link down below if you do want to go and sign up. That's the biggest USP here, that anyone can do that. Another thing that Weex is known for is the fact that it's very user-friendly and also very liquid. You can go and make very big trades there. Personally, I'm doing multi-million-dollar trades, and the liquidity is perfectly fine on Weex. You can trade up to 200x leverage, and also, Weex has a token called the WXT, and you can buy the token here over on Weex. Personally, I have bought a bunch of this token because I'm personally very bullish on exchange tokens. Just look at BNB Binance's token. It has performed astronomically well, and I believe that the Weex token will also do very well in the next few years. So yeah, go and check it out if you want to. Personally, I bought some. Now if you want to sign up, you of course start with the link down below, and then you click sign up in the top right corner. It will take you to this page. Enter your email address, create a strong password. You can use the referral code, which is of course optional, but if you do, then I get a kickback of course. And the good thing with using my referral code or my link down below is that you will be eligible for all of those bonuses in the future, like Rolex giveaways and other cool events that they're doing. But it's only going to be for everyone who uses my specific link. Okay, confirm your email address by clicking the link that they sent to your email. And you can also sign up with your phone number. And how to make a deposit? Well, you click on the Deposit Now tab on the main page. Click here and choose the token you want to deposit. Next, you click here and choose the network. After this, you click on Get Deposit Address, and Weex will generate a deposit address for you. You can use this address on your withdrawal platform. You can check your deposit history right here. Once you receive the deposit, you can find it in your wallet. Click here on Asset Overview, or you can check your balance under your Profile tab. Alright, so how can we now open up a trade and access this 200x leverage? Obviously 200x is very high risk, and I do not recommend using 200x. I think up to 20x is usually the recommended range. But let's check it out here. So basically you click here on Futures and it will take you to this page. You can start futures trading and you can choose up to 200x, of course, if you want. Here you can see a very basic interface with coin selection on the left, order options like limit market trigger with TPLS and post only on the right, and a chart with up-to-date info on selected coins in the center and detailed options of already open orders on the bottom. Here you can see the current value of the trading pair, 24-hour change percentage, mark price, 24-hour high price, and low price, 24-hour volume funding rate, and countdown. Now let's say you want to open up a Bitcoin position. You can use here a limit order, for example. That's the recommended way to get into the market, because with the limit order you control the entry price. So you can use the limit order to set the minimum price for a sell order, or the maximum price for a buy order, and basically it helps you take charge of your trades by setting the specific price limits. A limit order remains active until it's either executed or until you cancel it. To place a limit order, you click on Limit. Click here and choose between cross margin and isolated margin. Click here to choose the leverage, and you can choose up to 200x leverage. I'm going to explain cross margin and isolated margin in just a couple of minutes. Click here and enter your order price, or you can use the percentage bar to add a take profit or stop loss. Tick this box, choose between long and short, add your take profit price and stop loss price, and you can see the return rate percentage here. Confirm your order details and click on Open Long or Open Short. Once your order is filled, you can view its details under the Positions tab. If you want to open a market order, you can do that as well. And that's a great way to go fast into the market when you don't have time to wait for an entry. You pay higher fees, but you have a quicker entry. And sometimes, paying a higher fee can actually make you more money. I've many times seen this myself when you have a breakout. Well, either you miss the breakout, or you do a market order, so it's your choice. Usually I use market order in breakout trading. Basically, to place a market order, click on Market. Click here and choose between cross margin and isolated margin. Click to choose the leverage. Click here to enter the amount. Add the take profit or stop loss, which you should always do, of course. Confirm your order details and click on Open Long or Open Short. Once your order is filled, you will see it down here in the Positions tab. Now, if you want to do a trigger order, this will only be placed when the market price reaches the trigger price, according to the specified price that you set based on the price, the quantity, and the buy divided by sell direction. So the price used to trigger the order can be the last filled price or the mark price. To place a trigger order, you click here on Trigger. Click here on you choose between cross or isolated margin. You choose the leverage. You click here to enter the trigger price. Enter the amount of your order here. Take profit divided by stop loss. Of course, confirm your details and you press Open Short or Open Long, and then you can see the position in your Positions tab. If you want to do a post-only order, this ensures that your order will only be placed on the order book if it can act as a maker order, meaning it would not execute immediately against existing orders, and will only fill when someone places an order that matches your price effectively, allowing you to avoid paying taker fees and contribute to market liquidity by adding depth to the order book. If your limit order price would result in an immediate execution, the post-only feature will reject the order entirely. So post-only is a very good feature, and I'm very happy to see that Weex uses that. If you want to trade spot, you can also do so. It's very similar. You have a limit order, as you can see right here. You can trade a huge amount of cryptocurrencies here. You can use a limit order. You can use the GTC post-only IOC or FOK. So the good till cancelled orders will remain active until they are filled or cancelled. Post-only orders are added to your order book and will not match a market order, ensuring that the user remains as the maker, so you don't pay those taker fees. If the immediate or cancel IOC orders cannot be filled at the specified price, the unfilled portion will be cancelled. The fill or kill FOK orders will be cancelled immediately if they are not filled in their entirety. Here you can see the current traded price of Bitcoin. Click here and enter the amount. Click either buy or sell Bitcoin easy. The market order is very easy. You open up a market order, it takes the best price possible. And yeah, that's a quick way to get into the market even on spot. Here's something very cool on Weex is that you can also use the Copy Trade Pro option, which not only allows you to share your strategy, but also to use other traders' strategies, explore the ranking of the best traders and more. It's a new launch feature, offers separate exclusive weekly airdrop features for WXT holders with the same exclusive favorable conditions. The Rewards Hub on Weex is the section where you can learn more about their types of terms and claim them, such as your welcome bonus, for example. In addition to legal safety, Weex strives to provide technical and financial security. In particular, it does have a proof of reserve, namely 1000 Bitcoin, as user fund reserves, among other assets, while its WXT token has been audited by blockchain security firm Boson. Also very important is to set up two-factor authentication on your account. You can do that over here. You click here and then you just set up your two-factor authentication. It's very important to increase the security of your account. Now, if you don't want to trade on Weex, I do have some very good alternatives. If you go below this video, you will find my affiliate link to Coinflare. It's a fantastic exchange, one of the most loved and fastest growing exchanges right now. Link is down below to Coinflare. If you use my link to Coinflare, you will actually get up to $68 0 inches bonus. Now, the most trusted and highest liquid leverage trading exchange in crypto is actually Bybit. I have a link down below to Bybit as well. If you use my link to Bybit, you get 10% off your fees the first month of using my link, which is something that no other KOL is giving you. So yeah, if you want to use Bybit, use my link for sure. Now please leave a thumbs up down below. It would be great if we can reach 1000 likes on this tutorial, and I will make more tutorials in the future for sure. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and if you haven't seen this video, which is popping up right here, go check it out right now. It's so important to watch it.